In this video, I'm going to tell you how to fix the issue of the Chat GPT mobile app not working. I will explain the reason your Chat GPT app is not working, and then I will tell you the solution.
My mother has stage 4 kidney cancer. I request that you subscribe to my channel and help us grow them. Thank you.
The first reason is to make sure you are not using any VPN or DNS services. This is the first and main reason ChatGPT stops working. So, make sure your VPN or DNS is disabled when you are using ChatGPT. The second reason is that you're using a group by account. This is why you're facing the problem. A large number of users on a single account causes this issue. You will need to sign out and sign in with a new account, or you can change the password of your current account, which will remove all other users. If you are still facing the issue after this, open the Google Play Store and update your app. If you still face the problem after updating, open App Settings. Here, click on Storage and clear the data and cache. After that, your problem should be solved. If you still face the problem, I recommend you use the ChatGPT web version.